Jack, sometimes I feel like technology is more of a curse than a blessing.
I hear you, Emma. It seems like every day we're bombarded with news about the negative effects of technology on our lives, from social media addiction to privacy concerns and everything in between.
Exactly. It's like we're constantly tethered to our devices, unable to disconnect and truly engage with the world around us.
And don't even get me started on the impact of technology on our mental and physical health. The sedentary lifestyle, the blue light exposure, the constant bombardment of information. It's all taking a toll on our well-being.
It's scary to think about how much control technology has over our lives. Sometimes I wonder if we've become slaves to our own creations.
I know what you mean, Emma, but at the same time, I can't help but acknowledge the incredible advancements that technology has brought about in our society.
Advancements? Like what?
Well, for starters, think about the way technology has revolutionized communication. We can now connect with people from all over the world in an instant, breaking down barriers of distance and language.
That's true, but hasn't technology also led to a decline in face-to-face interactions and meaningful connections?
It has, to some extent, but it's all about balance, Emma. Yes, technology has its drawbacks, but it also has the power to enrich our lives in so many ways, from improving healthcare and education to fostering innovation and creativity.
I suppose you have a point, Jack. But I can't shake the feeling that technology is fundamentally changing the fabric of society, and not necessarily for the better.
I understand your concerns, Emma. Change can be unsettling, especially when it happens at such a rapid pace. But we can't stop progress. All we can do is adapt and find ways to make technology work for us, rather than against us.
That's a sobering thought, Jack. I guess it's up to us to determine the role that technology plays in our lives and how we choose to interact with it.
Exactly. And who knows? With the right approach, we might just find that technology has the potential to enhance our humanity rather than diminish it.
Yeah, I agree with you. Okay, I have to go now. I was here for just a short break. Now, I have to get back to the work. Bye.
Oh, no problem, bye. We will meet soon.